everything has its name, that words can be her eyes to everything in the world outside and inside too. What is she without words? With them she can think, have ideas, be reached. There isn't a thought or fact in the world that she can't have. You publish a newspaper, do I have to tell you what words are? And she has them already, 18 nouns and 3 verbs. They're in her fingers now. I need only time to push one of them into her mind. One, and everything under the sun will follow. But don't you see? What she's learned here is clearing the way for that.